WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Nothing much on that radar picture over the past 12 hours. Likely not going to be anything over the next 12 or 24, maybe not even the next 36. But I do think we're going to be talking about our next chance to get wet by early Friday morning. Right now, it's 57 degrees in Tallahassee. It's 54 in Thomasville. We're at 53 in Valdosta. It's a little warmer out there this morning compared to yesterday when we were back in those lower and middle 40s. Supposed to be in the lower 50s this time of the day, this time of the year. And we're going to be a little warmer than that in spots. Normal high is supposed to be right on 80. Yesterday, 81. Today, I think we get warmer, climbing into those middle 80s, or at least expecting to. Now, it's 50 at Blakely. That's the cool spot. Carabelle's the warm one at 63. Valdosta and Cross City and Live Oak are at 53. We're at 55 in Monticello. It's 57 in Bainbridge. The breeze is slow, but it's starting to turn a little bit more southeast and south. That will be the progression over the next day, and that means we're going to bring in warmer and more humid air. Seeing some clouds spill in from the west. Those high, thin clouds. There'll be decent sunshine today, and we'll be looking farther west for the next energy to get here. That new dividing line between what will become some warmer air surging up the East Coast and much cooler air coming out of the Rocky Mountain states. This next boundary is going to have enough juice and oomph with it, I think, to bring us not only a line of showers, but some thunderstorms, some that could be strong. So we'll watch and we'll see how things play out by this time Friday morning. That's looking like our window to get wet in the early morning hours Friday before things clear up by Saturday. It should turn out to be a lovely weekend. Maybe a little cool in the mornings for some. Here's Futurecast showing some of those high, thin clouds at times today and more clouds increasing tomorrow ahead of that line of showers, which looks like it really could bring a nice little soaking across the area. But there will be the potential for some stronger thunderstorms mixed in there. So that's what we'll be tracking and watching between now and early Friday morning. On the Gulf today, winds out of the southeast, 8 to 16. Those winds are going to increase a little bit tomorrow ahead of that boundary. We're doing the low tides first this morning, starting about 25 after 7. 50s, mild, let's call it partly cloudy. Sun comes up at 7:08. This afternoon, I think most of us are going to get to that 83, 84, 85 range. Near the coast, it'll stay a little cooler. But today, we'll call partly cloudy and warmer overall. Tonight, it's more upper 50s and low 60s, also a little bit more humid. And as the clouds increase tomorrow, the focus turns west. Rain chances start to approach after midnight. And I think it's going to be in the early morning hours Friday that we could be talking about storms. Things should clear up Friday, stay a little breezy for Saturday and cooler. And on Sunday morning for sunrise services, might be a little chilly out there.